Good morning, all. This is Ajay Pimpalsende, President of Peace Multipurpose Society and advisory member of Black Diamond International School Vani. Hope you all are doing good. We all know there is a pandemic COVID-19 situation going across the world. There are millions of people across the world who got infected due to this COVID-19 or Corona. An entire world is trying to figure out how we can solve this COVID-19 crisis. The research teams are doing their research to bring the suitable vaccine to stop this COVID-19 spread. But still we are not able to bring a new vaccine, or still the researchers are not able to bring the perfect medicine which can stop the spread of COVID-19. So as a result of this, so many things has been stopped since last few months. The international flights has been stopped, the hotels has been stopped, restaurant has been stopped. Even you got limited time to go out from your home to buy your essentials like groceries, vegetables. So how this thing can be run? How long this thing can run? The answer, we really don't know how long we have to run this situation. Whether situation can improve tomorrow or whether it can be worsened tomorrow. So nobody have answer. Even Mr. Narendra Modi cannot give the answer when that COVID crisis is going to end. So entire government, everyone is trying their level best to bring the normalcy in the states. But things are like not really going the way expected. So BDIPS takes and first step, because the things, so many things which we have stopped, but there is one thing which I keep telling. One thing cannot be stopped. One thing. Can you guess what's that? Can you guess? Learning. Right, you are right. Education. Education cannot be stopped and should not be stopped, because in the early childhood, the neuron development is very much in the early childhood. So when the children's under age 6, 7, when they see the things visually, when they hear certain thing, they memorize very fast, because that's their power. That's the early childhood education power, and I don't want your kids to lose that power, because once there is a gap, it's very hard to recall the things. So now we want to continue this learning somehow. So BDFS figure out the ways way back in the April when this COVID-19 crisis has been started, and we know, because though the government was saying okay, the things will be improved, but since I'm staying in Singapore, we know that what pandemic means, how long it will last, what is the wave 1, what is wave 2, what is wave 3, how things work. Literally it takes like months. So we pre-plan. In April itself, we started with our online learning facility, where students are able to learn our online via the Zoom classes and other methods. But now, due to the recent development from the Maharashtra government, because of the increase in the COVID-19 cases, and specifically in the Vani area, there is a lockdown, there is a Janta curfew, and the people cannot move out, and because of that, government has imposed a restriction on conducting online or the live interaction session for the kids till standard 2. So ultimately we have to respect the government guidelines and follow the government rules. So we have decided to stop our Zoom classes, but learning continues. For standard 3, the Zoom classes and everything is like as per like normalcy, but for the till standard 2, we have adopted different techniques. So in the background, our teachers, our principal, our coordinators, our management is working hard to create videos, to create a Google folders, to download the learning videos and keep sharing with you, so that learning keep continue. And that's where like we want our child, our BDIP child should keep continuous learning. And there are so many questions. Sir, we are not, we don't have mobile, we don't have enough data. So BDIPS has made an arrangement where you can go to the school branch and collect your book set, your worksheets, and so many things. Please, but while going to school, please follow the office hours. Make sure you wear the mask and maintain the safe distancing, and take the materials to home. That way you can, like, even if you don't have mobile, that learning journey can still continue. And I know like couple of you guys or couple of businessmen, like who are businessmen, maybe like they are not having even enough business, and there might be issue of the paying the fees. At the BDIPS, we never went to the parent and asked pay the fees, because we understand your situation. and we are here not to earn money from this industry. Education is not our business. Education is our interest. To bring quality education in the one area was my vision, and that's vision we are continuing. Because if I wanted to earn the money or my partners wanted to earn the money, we would have opened the factory or we would have like opened anything. And even like if it is a school is a good earning source, we would have opened the school in the Mumbai. We have that capabilities. We have that venture capitalist who can give us funding to open the big school in the Mumbai, Pune or Nagpur. But no, that was not our vision. Our vision was to bring the quality of education in the Bani area, and that's what like we are doing. So BDIPS is a strong organization. We are keeping all our employees as it. They are doing their best to bring you the quality education, and nowhere we are going to parents and asking to pay fees. You can pay now or you can pay later. Fees is not a priority. You guys decide. If you are getting the quality education, pay the fees. If you feel no, we are not getting anything out of this education, okay, we won't ask for the fees. We won't really ask for the fees. So keep the fees part aside. So apart from the fees, if there are like any other concerns which you wanted to discuss with us, which you want to have doubts, you can always reach the principal, Pallavi Joshi ma'am, or you can reach our coordinator, Benjit Adani ma'am, or the class teacher. So all the options are open, but don't stop your kids from learning online or from learning via the WhatsApp videos or learning from the YouTube videos, because learning should not stop. Most of you like know what is the importance of education. Is the key for man's life success. Today I am speaking in front of you. I am sitting in Singapore. It is just because I am educated. Because education brings the power. Without education, I am no one. No one even know my name. Who is Ajay Pimpalsande or who is Ashfaq Sheikh. Without education, that wouldn't have possible. So education is the key. Education is power. So in Marathi there is one say, Vachal tar vachal, means if you read, then only you can live. So don't break that education journey. So with this, like I really wanted to thank you for watching my videos, and hope if you have really any questions, you come to us, write to us. You can visit our website, and there are like so many. You can talk to Sanjay sir, or you can discuss with the teachers. But make sure your kids continue the education. This situation, we really don't know where it is going to end. Nobody can tell us confirm like when that thing is going to end, when COVID-19 is going to end, when the school is going to reopen. We don't know. The school can reopen after 2 months, 6 months, or 12 months, or maybe 1 year. Because when we look at the situation started in January, and people were saying, okay, July the school will open. Maharashtra government say the school can start, everything can start. But now look at the situation. Again, the second lockdown. There might be a third lockdown. Even the developed countries, Brazil, Germany, they are facing these challenges. But with the infrastructure, having the good internet connection, kids are attending online classes. Even at my home in Singapore, my daughter is like regularly attending the online classes. And the government, okay, there is no objection from the government that she is learning online classes, because they know the importance of education. So, with respecting government guidelines, but we know what education means, what value education can bring, and specifically when it's a early childhood education. So please continue education, don't stop it, keep reading the books, and stay safe. That's all what I wanted to say today. Thank you.